Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we are going to learn today? Okay, let's see what we are learning today. Okay, so what are we learning today? Maths. We are learning maths today. And what are we learning in maths today? Last time we learned about multiplication and division. And then we learned about multiplication tables. And we get to understand the easiest way to do multiplication. If you were not able to do that, you were not able to see that, go below my channel in the playlist where there is learning and education. You'll be able to see the easiest way you can be able to learn multiplication tables. The very easiest way that you can be able to learn, or that kids can be able to learn multiplication. I taught it already. So now we are going to learn the easiest way that kids can be able to learn division. So we are going to learn division today. Okay, and in division, what are we going to learn about? 2 digits and 3 digits using long division. Okay, I think you can be able to see that. So we are going to learn 2 digits and 3 digits using long division. So we are going to start with the first one, which is 2 digits first, before we go to the one of 3 digits using long division. So 2 digits division. Okay, so 2 digits division. When you see a 2 digits number and you need it to be divided, what comes in your mind? One thing has to come in your mind when you see 2 digits number. One thing has to come in your mind, and what is that? That if I see any number which is by 2 digits, kids, we know how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is easy. What do? You divide. You divide using balls. Okay, so any number that you see with 2 digits, divide that number using balls. You get your balls, 1 ball, 2 balls, and divide it. You get the number of balls that they have told you to divide, and divide the number. So that is what we are going to be doing, kids. So what does that mean? We are going to start off with our number 1. Okay, let us start. Number 1. What is 12? Divide by 2. So if you get a number which tells you 12 divide by 2, what do, kids? You are in an exam and you see a number which tells you 12 divide by 2. And I've told you, when you see a 2 digits number, 2 digits, it means ones and tens. Ones and tens, those are 2 digits. Any digits that are 2 digits, ones and tens, because this is a ones. We know that in math this is always ones and this is always tens. This is always tens. So this is ones and this is tens. So what we do when we see a number which is always 2 digits, we always use the balls. So you get the number which is always here. Those are the number of balls that you'll always be using. So in this case we have 2 digits number, and the balls are how many? 2. So if we have 12 balls and we divide them by 2, what do we get? That is what they want us to do. So what you always do is you go to the side of your paper. Don't come down to make your work dirty. because coming down here and doing the number will make your work dirty. So you go other side of your paper. Assuming this is my paper, for example, this is my whole paper, I go the other side. In the side of the number, I go other side. Okay, so I'm other side. I'll draw, they have told us two balls, and we are going to divide them by 12. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we have finished, they told us to divide by 2. So we have done it. We've gotten 2 balls, which are these 2. Divide them by the 12. We divided them by 12 balls, which are the 12. So how many will each person get? So that is, each person will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Our answer is 6. Okay, kids, that is very easy, right? So we can try number 2. Number 2, let us say 20 divided by 5. So when we have a number like 20 divided by 5, what do? We said we go other side of our paper. You don't come here and do it. You go other side. So we already have this of 2. We can erase this because usually we have our eraser and we have our pencil with us and the eraser. So we will draw 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because they have told us there are 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 2-digit number and they have told us it's divided by 5. So we are doing 20. We have started with 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so those are 20. So what do? We count 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 4. Okay, so those are 4. Bravo, we got the answer as 4. So the next one is, let's try one more number or 2 numbers so that we can be able to understand it well. Let us say 9 divided by 3. So when we have 9 divided by 3, this is 1 digit. Remember, kids, this is 1 digit and these were 2 digits. So 1 digit and 2 digits, we can do the same for 1 digit and 2 digits. 1 digit number. So 9 is a 1 digit number. It is not a 2 digit like 20. So 1 digit and 2 digits, we just do the same like a 2 digits number. We divide the same way like a 2 digits number. So what we do, we will erase this. Okay, so what we do, they have told us 9 divided by 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we divide with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bravo. So what does each one get? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. Do you see how easy this is? It's very easy. Then one last number, kids, one last number, which is, we are going to say 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7. What do we get? 21 divided by 7. So we are still going to erase this. And then what we will do is draw 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 balls and we divide them by 21. we divide them by 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So how many does each one get? 1, 2, 3. So each person gets 3 balls. So kids, do you see how easy this is? So anytime you see a 2-digit number or a 1-digit number, just divide it the way we did it here. Just use balls. Divide it using balls. Just go other side of your work or other side of your paper and just draw the balls and get that number which they have told you to divide by and divide with the number of balls that they want you to divide. You will be able to get your answer, like we got the answer here. So let us turn this side, the other side, like this, and then let us go to 3 digits division. So now we are going to go to 3 digits. We are going to go to 3 digits division. So now we have seen how to divide 2 digits. Now we are going to see if we have 3 digits, what do we do? And they told us that what we do is we use long division. We use long division. So if you see any 3 digits number, we use long division. For example, they can give you a number. Let us try and see one number. For example, they can tell you one number and they tell you 525 divide by 5. They can tell you 525 divide by 5 and they tell you how do you divide that number. You can find it in the paper or in the exam or in class, and the teacher asks you how do we divide that number. So what we do, kids, is simple. We are going to use long division, and most of you fear long division, but long division is very simple, like I'm going to show you here. So what do? If you see a number like this, you will do long division. Long division, you just do this. You just draw this. This is the easiest way, kids, you can be able to do it. Just draw this and this. So if I do this and this, that is what they mean by long division. And then I'll get my 5 and put it here outside. And then 525, which is the bigger number, because there are 3 digits. We say this is ones, and this is tens, and this is hundreds. So those are 3 digits. So if we have a 3 digits number and we see a 3 digits number, we will always use long division. So we put the 3 digit number in the inside and the 1 digit that we are dividing outside. So the 3 digit number is 525. So we have 525. We are dividing it by 5. So what do we always do, kids? Since we know how to do a 2 digits number, what we will do, we will always start with the first 2 digits. You will always first choose the first 2 digits because we already did the 2 digits. We know how to do it. So we will always first choose the 2 digits. After choosing the 2 digits, you will come other side. Remember, we said we will always be on the side. On the side, we will not do it to darten our work. We will not always draw the balls to darten our work. We will choose only 2 digits first, then we will see this number later, the 3 digits. We will start with this one. So we go on our side. Remember, we said we go other side of the work. So the side of the paper, we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because they have told us there are 5 balls, we are dividing them by 52. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52, because they told us to stop at 52. So we are going to see how many each person got. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each person got 10. So we get our 10 and put the answer up. So each person got 10. But remember, kids, there was some 2 balls that remained. There were some 2 that remained. So what do? We get these 2 here that remained, and we come. What do? You come, because you did the 2 digits, you come and erase. You come and erase this number that was here, the 52, because we have finished with it. So we got our 2 remaining balls. So we will come and get our 2 remaining balls and put them here. We erased the other number because we finished it, it's no longer needed. So we will only remain with what is needed, which is the 2 balls that remained here is what we bring and put here. So now we have 25 left. We get our 2 and the other 5 that we didn't work on, our 2 balls that remain, and the 5 that we didn't work on. So our number will now remain 25. So we get 25 and we divide it now by 5. Okay. So we erase now. We erase this, and now what we do is we get our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we said 25. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So if there are 25 balls, like they've told us, how many did each get? We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer, we don't see any remaining. So our answer is 5. So we put our answer as 5. So kids, do you know what? We are done. We got the answer. So our answer is, you come here and put your answer is 105. Wow, that is so amazing, kids. Do you see how easy this math is? Most people say math is hard, but math is so easy. Do you see how easy it is? Okay, so we are going to try another number. So let me first erase these balls because we are going to use the side of our paper. Okay. Okay, we are done. So we are going to try another number. And what number is it? Let us try number 2. And what is number 2 telling us? It is telling us 4, and it is saying 644. So you can find a number where a teacher can do 4 and then put 644 in the middle. He will not tell you divide like this number which they told us to divide, but he'll give you this and will ask you what is the answer. When he'll put for you the long division there, and he will ask you what is the answer. So all you'll have to do is to just divide the long division using that long division that we see here. So that is all that we have to do. So what do we do? Because the teacher already did this for us, we don't have to do it like already we did it here, or you can just repeat it by yourself because you want to get space, and you say, okay, the teacher said this, let us put our 4 in the outside. The teacher already did it, and 644 because it's a 3 digits. So what are we going to do? We go back to our way that we did before in the first number. What are we going to do first? We said we always pick 2 digits first. We are going to pick the 2 digits first. So what do we do when we choose the 2 digits first? We are going to say 64 divided by 4 because it is the 2 digits. So we will go and get 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 balls, and we are dividing them by 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So, kids, we have 64 balls. Bravo! We said 64. So we count how many each got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So each person got 16 balls. But do we have any remaining today? Nothing. Which means they were equal balls. So what we do, if we find that there's not any balls that are left, we will just come back here and say, do we have any other number left now? Let us erase this number because we know we always remove the number that is done. So we erase the 64. Only the 4 left. So which means now we have to get our 4 and divide it by 4 because we don't have any remaining which we will put here. So we'll only get our 4 and divide it by 4. So 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. And divide them by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's already done. So how many? 1. So we'll put our 1 here. Okay, we can use our black marker, which is 1. So we have finished the number. So you come and put for the teacher the answer, which is 161. Do you see how easy this is, kids? It's very easy. So our answer is 161. Wow, this is amazing, kids. This is really amazing. Our answer is 161. Okay, we have seen all that. We are going to do 2 more numbers. Only 2 more numbers. Okay. Let us erase everything and do 2 more numbers. And after we finish the 2 numbers, we will have understood everything, how to do a 3 digits and 2 digits number. Okay, so math is so easy, kids. If someone tells you that math is hard, don't listen to them because math is so easy. Can you see how easy that was? Okay, let us do another number. So another number that we are going to do is, let us try 1 more number or 2 numbers, and we are going to do, now we are going to start again, number 1. We are still on long division, and we will say 204 divided by 6 equals, so you will be in class and find the number like this, and the teacher will want you to give an answer of 204 divided by 6. So what will you do? We said if we see a 3-digit number, we know always that there is a ones, tens, and hundreds on those numbers. So those are 3 digits. So 3 digits numbers, we said we are using long division. So we are going to use our long division. So we'll put our long division and we'll put our number inside. We said if we see a number like this, because the teacher didn't put a long division for us, we put our long division. And then we said the 3 digits are always inside, which is 204. And the other number which is we dividing is 6 on the outside. So what do we do now, kids? First, we said we always start with the 2 first digits. The first 2 digits. So what are we going to do, kids? We are going to do, they have told us 6 divided by 20, which is 20 divided by 6, which is we get 20 and we divide it by the 6 balls. So we will start with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will divide 20 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If when you reach at 20, you stop. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have already reached at 20. We see today there is a remaining. So we will pick only the first ones without remainings. These are the ones up without remainings. So how many are they? 1, 2, 3. So each person got 3. So we will put 3 here on the first answer. And kids, we said if there is any remaining, it means now 20 is out of our table now. Only the remaining number is what we need now. We don't need 20 anymore. How many were remaining? 1, 2. So we'll get our 2 and put it here. So if we have our 2 and we have put 2 here, what do we do? Now we take our remaining whole number, which was the 2 and the 4, which we didn't take before. So we'll get 24. So now we are going to divide 24 divided by 6. So what do? We'll get 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. And if these are 6 balls, they have told us to divide them by 24. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many did each get? Because 24 is what they want and we don't have any remaining. So how many did each get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer, each got 4 balls. So we put our 4 here. So it's done. It's done. So our answer is 34, kids. Our answer is 34 because we finished already with the 24. So 34 is our answer. And you give that to the teacher, and the teacher will see here at the side that you did your division well, and the teacher will be happy. So we will do one last number, kids. One last number is what we are going to do today. And the number that we are going to do today, kids, is... Okay, let me see what number we can do. What number can we do? Today we are going to have long division already there, and we are going to do 294 divided by 7. 294 divided by 7. So if we have 294 divided by 7 and we see the teacher already put it for us, the teacher already put for us the number, so it is not like here where we have to put our long division because the teacher already put it for us. So what do we do, kids? We are going to now do our long division. Okay, we are going to do our long division. And what do we do in our long division? Like we said, we are going to do long division. and long division, we said, okay, let us first erase. Let us first erase this. Okay. Okay. What are we going to do? We are going to start our number. And we are now putting our long division back because we need space. That is why we are doing it again. And we said that 3 digits inside is 294. And outside is 7. Okay? So, what are we going to do first, kids? We said we always start the first 2 digits. We start with the first 2 digits. And we do our long division. So what are we going to do? 29 divided by 7. Okay, 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need up to 29. When we reach at 29, we stop. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we stop there. We see, kids, there is a remainder. So what we'll do is we'll count first the balls. We'll leave this aside, the remainder aside. We will not count the one remaining, only the ones that are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 4. So we'll put our 4 here. And then, kids, we said we no longer now need 29 because we are done with it. So we'll put our remainder. How many remained? Only 1. So we will put our remaining number here in the place of 29. So now we have 14. Divide by 7. So we'll come and say 1, 2, at the side of the paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, we need to keep our work clean. We don't want to draw balls everywhere so the teacher will get confused. So we have 7 balls and they have told us only 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many did each get? Because there are 14 only. 1, 2. So our answer is 2. So which means we are done because 14 is also done and nothing left. So our answer is 42. So kids, if the teacher gives you this number, you come and put the answer is 42. Bravo, kids. Bravo. This is our answer and this was also our answer. Do you see how easy math is, kids? Do you see how easy math is? So thank you so much. Today I have marked the end of my long division. If in case you need more explanation or more examples, you can comment on my video and tell me we need more examples to be able to understand, in case you didn't understand, but I'm sure everyone understood. And please, I'll always come back with different subjects, different things in math, English, every subject. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with more things that are very hard for kids to be able to understand. So please subscribe to my channel for you don't want to miss what is coming next. Thank you so much. Bye bye.